Shalom Aleichem, Na'aleh viewers, welcome to another shiur in Maseches Brachos. Today's shiur is dedicated Lili Nishmas Rachalei Abbas Reb Chaim Tzvi. We're continuing in the Gemara Brachot on Daf Yudalim and Beis. In the end of the last year, we just started a new sugya. In the beginning, in the middle of the Amid, the two dots, the Gemara says, Amar Rabbi Yeshua ben Karcha, Lama Kodma Parasha Shema. The Gemara refers back to the Mishnah, where the Mishnah discusses the order of the paragraphs that we recite Kriya Shema in. First paragraph being Shema V'Ahavta. Second paragraph V'Hayim Shemaya. The third paragraph is Vayomer. So the Mishnah said that the reason for this order, the Mishnah quotes Rabbi Yeshua ben Karcha. Rabbi Yeshua ben Karcha explains, first, a person has to accept upon himself Kabbalah Malchus Shemayim, which is Shema V'Ahavta, and only afterwards do we follow with Kabbalah Al Mitzvahs of V'Hayim Shemaya Tishmu Al Mitzvahsai, and then we have the parasha of Vayomer, because the parasha of V'Hayim Shemaya applies both by day and by night, since it discusses the mitzvah of Talmud Torah, of Limadet HaMoisem Espanechem, which applies by day and by night, whereas the mitzvah of Vayomer, which relates to the mitzvah of Tzitzis, that applies only by day and not at night. So therefore that paragraph is recited last. So Tosfos Dibra Maschil Lama Kodma Parasha Shema V'Hayim Shemaya, on the top of Yudalim and Beis, Tosfos asks, V'im Toimar Teipuk Lei the Kodma B'Torah. Tosfos says, what is the Mishnah and the Brisa of Reb Shema Yochai looking for reasons why Shema and V'Ahavta come first? They're found in the Chumash first. V'yesh Loimar, says Tosfos, the Hochi Ka'amar Lodma Kodma Af L'Parasha Tzitzis to Kodma L'Chulon. Why do these paragraphs come before the third paragraph, the paragraph of Tzitzis, which comes first? The paragraph of Tzitzis is found in Shlach, in Bamidbar. The other paragraphs are found in Ekev, in V'Eschanon, which is in Dvarim. Alavadai, Einonu Chayshin Lozeshi Kaidemes B'Torah. Says Tosfos, the fact that it appears earlier in the Chumash is not critical, Mishum Da'amrina Ein Mukta Mu'uchar, because we have a general rule of Ein Mukta Mu'uchar B'Torah, that there isn't necessarily a chronological order in terms of how parashiyos appear in the Torah. V'im kein hoyu lonu lahaktim v'hoya shehi medaberes b'loshen rabim, and therefore maybe we really should have, if we don't have this klal of Ein Mukta Mu'uchar B'Torah, so we're not going to write the parasha of Tzitzis first. Maybe really V'Hayim Shemaya should come first, because V'Hayim Shemaya is B'Loshen Rabim. That the Gemara says the parasha of Shema comes first, since it contains Kabbalah Al Malchus Shemayim, and that following Kabbalah Al Malchus Shemayim, we engage in Kabbalah Al Mitzvahs. That's the svara of Reb Shimon of Rabbi Yeshua ben Karcha. Reb Shema Yochai, the Gemara says, added another explanation, that since the paragraph of Shema V'Ahavta has in it Lilmoid, in the pasuk V'dibarta Bam, Lilamed V'shinamtum Levonecha, and also Asiyo Kshartum Le'yisal Yodecha, Uchsavtam Al Mezuzos Beisecha. So it comes first. V'Hayim Shemaya comes before Vayomer, because V'Hayim Shemaya has these two elements of Lilamed V'limadet HaMoisem Espanechem and Asiyo, whereas Vayomer just discusses Asiyo. Now Tosfos goes on. Tosfos is referring again to the reasoning given in the Mishnah by Rabbi Yeshua ben Karcha. Rabbi Yeshua ben Karcha explains that Vayomer is last, since Vayomer does not apply in the daytime because it discusses the mitzvah of Tzitzis. Vayomer eina neheges ela b'yomer. It says that the mitzvah of Tzitzis only applies in the daytime, so this paragraph of reciting Vayomer only is something that we recite in the daytime. Says Tosfos, Mikan mashma kirib shimin diyoma beperek atchelis. From here, says Tosfos, we have a raya to the shita of Reb Shimon, who says in Perek Atchelis and Menachis that tzitzis Mitzvat Asei Shehazman Grama, that the mitzvah of wearing tzitzis is classified as a mitzvah asei. It's in the category of time-bound mitzvahs, of positive mitzvahs, mitzvah asei Shehazman Grama, that are time-bound, that are obligated only at certain times, which women are exempt from. V'chein, says Tosfos, isa b'kiddushin. Now this is also the opinion of the Gemara in Kiddushin. The ka'omar mitzvah tzitzis mitzvah asei shehazman grama.